Hampton Bay remote, in which many times it stopped working to turn off the light. You can see it doesn't do anything, and I cannot turn on the fan, nothing. Actually, the first thing I want you to try, if you don't know how to check the battery, go ahead and replace with a new battery, okay? Because this is the old battery that I removed, and then I put in the new one. Try that first. That's the first step. Replace the battery. You know, if it's the old battery been there for a long time, you know, it might be weaker, even though, you know, by looking at it or using it, I mean, it might work, but then it might not. So I replace that first. And the second part is that what I did earlier, I just keep pressing, you know, if it doesn't respond, I just keep pressing light until the light comes on, and then that should mean that it starts to work again. Just follow my video, and you can remove the battery in the back here. There's a cover right here, okay? Just remove it, put it in on the right polarity, and try that first, okay? Okay, what I did, because it's used to work, but it's on and off, stop working. Basically, I keep pushing this, you know, multiple times, and then it turn off the light. And now, as you can see, the light is off, and then I can turn on the fan, whatever, with the speed here. So keep pressing this a few times until the light goes off. For whatever reason, you know, normally you only have to press, you know, light one time unless you want it on. Okay, this is on, it's off, just like normal. But what I did earlier, I just keep pressing it. Maybe the signal is weak or something like that. So, you know, get closer to the fan. You know, make sure your battery is good, but just keep pressing this until the light goes off, meaning that it starts to work, you know. And then you can turn it off, turn it on, or stop the fan. The off should work like that. Okay, so that's good now because it's getting hot here. So hope it helps. See you folks on the next video. Maybe you have this control here. I mean the switch here to turn on and off your fan. What I did, again, you know, this is not a kind of straightforward. I turned it off and then turn it back on, and then keep pressing the light button, you know, a few more times. You may have to try this several times on and off. Try this cycle. So it's not really, you know, normal, but that's what happened to me, and it seems to work. Once you be able to turn on the light on and off, and then you can try, you know, turn on the fan. That should work, because before that nothing works.